Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax messages on your Xiaomi 12C. So, at the start we have to open the Play Store, then look for the fax app. As you can see, you will find a lot of them in the Play Store, so choose one of them. I'm always using the EasyFax. Now, add the permissions to the camera and to the files, and if you want to add your document, click on this little plus, choose the source of your document. I will pick something from your gallery, like this one for example. You can also select more than one photo, of course. If you are ready, click import, adjust the shape of your document. Now you can choose the filter for it to make it more visible. You can also add a signature, text and the graffiti by these icons. If you are ready, click accept. And now type the number here. Don't forget to choose the country from the list. And optionally you can give a small note here. Okay, and now if you want to add more documents, maybe from the other source, click the plus and choose one of them, like before. But if you want send only this one, click on this button, and that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.